Hey, my couponing friends! CVS has some really good rolling extra bucks deals right now, so here's how I do them to keep the cash coming out of my pocket as low as possible. First, grab one L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Toner, the 8.5-ounce size, for $8.49. Clip the $5 digital coupon, pay $3.49, and get $5 in extra bucks. That actually makes this a $1.51 moneymaker after rewards. Next, take that $5 extra buck and grab 2 Kiss acrylic files at $2.99 each. You'll pay just 98 cents after rolling your reward, and you'll get another $5 extra buck back. Next, grab 2 Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotions, 8.5 ounces each. There buy one, get one 50% off. Clip the $1.50 Palmer's coupon, roll your $5 extra buck, pay about $3.23, and get $6 in extra bucks. Now grab 3 Crest 3D white toothpastes, the 2.4-ounce size, at $3.99 each. Clip the 5 off 3 digital coupon, roll your $6 extra buck, and you'll pay only 97 cents.
Hey, my couponing friends! If you want another way to earn rewards from activities you may already be doing, let me introduce you to SWAGBUCKS. When you create a new account through my referral link, you can receive a 1,000 SB welcome bonus, which is worth $10. To qualify, you must spend at least $25 through an eligible store featured in SWAGBUCKS shop, receive at least 25 SB from that purchase, and complete it within 30 days of registration. After signing up, you can continue earning SB through online shopping, magic receipts, surveys, games, and other qualifying activities. Your SB can be redeemed for available gift cards or other rewards once you meet the redemption requirements. Full disclosure, this is my personal referral link, which means I may receive a reward when you qualify too. You don't need to type the entire address. Click the SWAGBUCKS referral link posted with this video and follow the sign-up instructions.
Grab 2 ACT mouthwashes, 18 ounces each, at $5.29. Clip the $1 digital coupon, roll your $5 extra buck, pay $4.58, and get $7 back. Last, grab 2 Persil Pro Clean detergents, 34 ounces each, at $6.99. Roll your $7 extra buck, pay $6.98, and get $6 in extra bucks back. Prices may vary by store, digital coupons may vary by account, and extra bucks offers are generally limited to 1 per household with your Extra Care card.
Hey, my couponing friends! If you've never used Fetch before, now is the perfect time to try it, because new users can currently receive $10 worth of Fetch points through August 18th. All you have to do is download the Fetch app, create a new account, and enter my referral code B3KVN before you scan your first receipt. Once your account is ready, scan your first eligible receipt and let Fetch process it to receive your bonus points. After that, keep scanning your shopping receipts to earn even more points. You can redeem your points for gift cards from participating retailers, so don't throw those receipts away. Full disclosure, this is my personal referral code, which means I may receive points when you complete the requirements too. Pause the video or take a screenshot because my Fetch code is B3KVN. Remember, this $10 offer is currently available through August 18th.